Introducing the FoodSaver Multi-Use Food Preservation System, our most versatile vacuum sealer yet. The Multi-Use Food Preservation System keeps food fresh for up to 5 times longer. It gives you so many ways to vacuum seal with a built-in handheld sealer that works with zipper bags and containers. Custom settings give you more ways to use. Marinate in minutes. Perfectly seal bags for sous vide. Pulse vacuum to seal delicate foods without crushing. Easily preserve moist food. And dry food by creating an airtight seal. It's perfect for storing in your pantry, fridge, or freezer. It also comes with a roll storage and cutter bar to easily create different sized FoodSaver bags. Preserve, prep, and cook food. You'll never run out of reasons to use it.